Ladies and gentlemen, we are pleased to present with justifiable pride, Flora and Cinderella Clothesline, the American Bride. Oh, better or worse, oh, promise me, why is every crime within the secret heart of every bride is our words repeating inside. Ding dong, ding dong. Beautiful reflection of his love's affection, a walking illustration of his adoration. His love makes you beautiful, so beautiful, so beautiful. You ask your looking glass, what is it? Makes you so exquisite. The answer to your query comes back eerie. His love makes you beautiful, so beautiful, so beautiful. And woman's love and woman glorified, you'll make a beautiful, 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 beautiful bride. And woman love is woman glorified, you'll make a beautiful, 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 beautiful bride.
The winter bride is typified by Christmas, frost, and berries. And though the weather's changeable, her virtue never varies. The springtime bride is starry-eyed, as poets often say. No other bride would dare to dream the dreams that April May. The summer bride is glorified by well and feathered touch. A lucky man receives the love of June, July, and March. The autumn bride is prudent and wise at sweet 16 or 20, and as a wife in future life she'll hold the horn of plenty. His love makes you beautiful, so beautiful, so beautiful. Here comes the bride, another beautiful bride. Sing represents her justifiable pride. I am the beautiful reflection of my love's affection, a walking illustration of his adoration. His love makes me beautiful, so beautiful, so beautiful. I asked my looking glass, what is it? Makes me so exquisite. The answer to my query comes back dearie. His love makes me beautiful. So beautiful. So beautiful.